Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Xpeng, how it had an amazing day, and then we're going to look at what levels I'm watching next. We're going to talk about all of that. Now, before we get into the video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server. If you need help with your charting, if you need help with anything dealing with the market, just hop in here. It's completely free. We have over almost 500 members now, so hop in there if you do need help. Either way, let's get right into the video. Let's talk about what Xpeng did today and what I'm expecting from Xpeng. Now, in my video I made a couple days ago, I didn't post a video on Xpeng yesterday just because so much was happening with Neo. But we're about to review what Xpeng did yesterday, and then we're going to talk about what it did today. So Xpeng, it tried to push up in the morning, right? It pushed up, it got to this resistance line, and what happens at resistance lines, guys? Either we break above or we get rejected. We got rejected, and where do we fall? We fell right close to my support here at 40.37. Now keep in mind, 40.29. But keep in mind that everything was selling off yesterday during this time. Everything was selling off, so it just wasn't Xpeng. Neo sold off. The whole market sold off yesterday during this time. Now, what happened today? Today we did exactly what I wanted to do. We finally broke above this resistance level right here at 43.84. We came back down to confirm it as a support. So now we're on the upside, meaning that we're bullish and we're uptrending. So this is exactly what you want to see if you're bullish on Xpeng. We're not out of the waters yet though, because this could just be a lower high. So we could still be downtrending. So basically, Xpeng really needs this tomorrow. We really need to have this continuation. Now the reason I say that is because if not, we'll just still be in this downtrend and we'll just still continue down. Once we get above this high right here, we can start saying that we're starting to reverse. So we've had this humongous downtrend, this slow bleed off. This is the reversal right here, right? We pushed up, we got rejected, we fell down, and we can say this is just the dip from right here. So we're still making higher lows, but we need to start making higher highs. So in order for that to happen, guys, we need to get above this level right here at 45.54. Tomorrow it needs to blast right through that level and hold. It doesn't need to do what this did right here. It doesn't need to push up and get rejected and close red. No. Tomorrow we need to push up and either close strong at resistance, right? Close at a strong green candle, or completely get above it. Now that would be a $4 to $5 move. Xpeng's already up 8% today, so that would be an aggressive move. So I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow. It might not happen on Friday, but if we are up, the most important part, guys, is that we need to get above this level right here at 45.54. If we fail to do that, then my confidence in Xpeng for the short term would say that we're probably heading back down to either this level here at 40.29, like we did over here, or even lower if we break ultimately below that level to 35.93. Now we're doing just fine. There's no panic. Everything's doing fine. It got above the level we need to get above. And the next level that we need to work towards and get above is at 48.06. This is a strong resistance. You saw we got rejected right here, and especially over here. Look how many times we got rejected. So we know that this 48.06 area is a strong resistance. We need to get above it, and we need to stay above it. So going into next week, my thought process is, yes, let's push up. Maybe on Monday, consolidate around resistance, and then push through on Tuesday, and then just continue that uptrend. So obviously, if you're bullish on Xpeng, this is a scenario that you want. You want us to get back in this range right here. You want us to get back in this 48.06 and 56 range. Once we start getting in this range right here, then we truly started to reverse from this huge downtrend that we had. Now, if you're holding Xpeng long, I know it's been a rocky ride, guys. Trust me, I know what it feels like to get a high average. You just watch your money slowly bleed out, and you can't do anything. Trust me, I know how it feels, but the most important part is that Xpeng is starting to recover, and as long as we can recover and can keep this momentum, we'll be completely fine. Now, if you're looking to get an entry on Xpeng, let's say you've just been watching it or you've been just trying to trade it, this is how I structure my trade. So I buy at support, guys. That's how I take my trades. I buy at support. I have my stop loss underneath support, and then I ride it out. So if I were to take the support play, I would have my stop loss really tight on this one. I would actually have it at 43.06. If we got below there, I would cut it because I wouldn't want to be in it because it would be most likely heading back down to 40.29. But if you want to get in now and because you think it's going to go up huge tomorrow, then get in now, and I still have the same stop loss because it wouldn't make sense to tag out at support if that's where I buy at. So that wouldn't make sense. Yes, you run the risk of losing more, but you also negate the fact that if we do push up tomorrow, then hey, you're in it and it's rocking and rolling, right? So guys, when you're taking these trades, be smart, have your stop loss, see where you're going to stop out at, and have this plan like I do. Now, if you're already long in Xpeng, add on to these levels. So add on to 43.70, add on to 48.06, add on to them if you can. Now, I know a lot of people, they have their money tied up in here and they can't do anything. Trust me, I know it sucks to watch just one stock go down. That's all you can do is just watch. I know, but it does look like we are starting to reverse on Xpeng, and it looks like we are keeping that momentum. Either way, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'd like to remind you that I do have that free Discord. Link in the description below. If you do need help, hop in here. Either way, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next video.